Subscribe to Cooking and Travel by Dr. Papori Barooah and press on the bell icon for all notifications.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel to a breakfast recipe. Today I'd like to present before you a very healthy version of the frittata. This is a baked vegetable and egg frittata. So let me introduce you to the ingredients. It's an egg frittata and hence we need 3 big eggs there. And we will need some other very healthy ingredients there. So half a capsicum there. You may use red and yellow bell pepper if you have them. And here I've just taken some spring onions and just shredded into very small thin slices there. This is around 2 tablespoons of fresh cream there. 1 cube of Amul cheese, I have grated it. Around 20 mushrooms, button mushrooms, I have sliced it this way. If you do not like mushrooms, you can replace with some paneer or cottage cheese. 1 small tablespoon of butter. Some leaves of spinach that also I have shredded in very thin there. Some salt and 1 big onion cut into small pieces there, chopped in a way. I will also need some pepper, fresh pepper there, and I'm in love with this burnt garlic sauce. If you do not have this, you can use some pieces of garlic because garlic will give the unique flavor to your dish. So let's start. It's very easy. Now I need to mix all the ingredients together. I have put my oven at preheat at 175 degrees centigrade and now I need to work on it. At first I have just taken an oven proof dish and I've just greased it with some butter. So this is ready. Now I just need to mix my ingredients. So I will take a bowl. And next thing I'm going to do, it's a very easy task, and because it's so yummy, all the kids love it, and in the process I make them eat a lot of vegetables. You can put in carrot, you can put in any other vegetables that you would like to put in, and then you give it a nice mix there. All of these go in. Okay, so just give it a nice mix there. If you think it's very very thick there, we may introduce a little bit of milk. That will also be good. So a little bit of milk there. So 2 tablespoons of milk that I've put in. Putting in the butter. So already the green gives us the feeling of how nutritious it will be, and of course we need to put in a little bit of this, the elements that will bring in all the cheesiness there, the cheese itself, and some burnt garlic sauce, 1 small teaspoon there, giving it a mix there, and some cream. Next goes in some fresh pepper. Okay. So as much as you really want in your dish, you want to spice it up, you can add in some chili flakes there. But as I always say, it's a breakfast recipe and normally avoid too much of the heat there. And of course now for the dash of salt there. If there's a problem with the salt, your dish will just fall flat. Give it a mix there. By now, my oven is heated up and all I need to do is that just lay it down in this dish that I have ready. Okay, that's done. Now this will go into the oven at 175 degrees centigrade, and then this will be there for half an hour so that it's ready to be eaten. Now just half an hour of waiting. I'll just show you. The skewer comes out very clean. It's done perfectly. So we'll just wait for it, say around 5 minutes, and then of course we can turn it over and take it out to eat. See how soft it looks there? And it is going to be yum because of all the cheese and the milk and the cream, and any kid would love it. I hope you'll give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.